Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem a Viu Premium code. So it's very easy to use a Viu Premium code. The first thing I want you to do is of course launch the Viu app. Come here to the top left, click on these three horizontal lines. This will open up the menu. And here in the left hand panel we get a bunch of options. What I want you to do is come here and click on Go Premium, okay? Click on Go Premium right here. And you'll see all of these premium options, different packages with different amounts. What I want you to do is come all the way to the bottom. You see premium code. You just enter the promo code right here. And once you enter it or you paste it in, I want you to just come here and tap on apply. That's all you have to do. And then you will get Viu Premium. Really that easy. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.